There's a nice place to fly the plane today. Beautiful day, autumn day down the coast, and we'll take the PA-18 up for a flight. Slow into that wind. A bit turbulent in the valley. Flaps. And solid wheels. And lots of rocks around, so I've got to watch that. Goes well. No, you'll be okay. It's quite safe.
I try to video.
Very light,
Yeah.
very lightweight.
I get another one.
Yes, I'll come low over and you can get a good shot here. Right here. There we go. And we'll just bring it along the gully here and land it. Got to come into the wind. See, the wind is very choppy. There she is. Very choppy. There you have it. We've had some great little flights here on the beach, here on the surf coast. Well, here's the second spot that I fly near the other location, and this will take us over the beach, which is just beyond those bushes. Wind is coming straight out that way, so rabbits everywhere. Lovely day for a flight. And down she comes for a low pass. Very nice little aircraft to fly around here. Nice wide area to land. What a great spot to fly such a beautiful little aircraft as this. Our second location down on the Surf Coast in Victoria. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll look forward to seeing you on another video very soon. Bye now.